In this video, I will demonstrate mixing alginate impression material and loading a maxillary and a mandibular impression tray. Remember to always wear a mask to filter out dust particles when using alginate powder. It is not healthy to breathe any dust. Alginate comes in regular set, which is cream colored, and gels in 3 to 4 minutes. It also comes in fast set, which is pink and gels in 1 to 2 minutes. I will be using fast set. Tumble the alginate container to fluff the contents. This will remix the heavier components of alginate with the lighter ones, resulting in the proper amount of material in each scoop. For the maxillary impression, measure 3 scoops of alginate powder into 1 bowl. Tap each scoop and level off. Measure water to the desired line. For the maxillary impression, measure to the 3rd line on the calibrated water measure. Cooler water will retard the set, and warmer water will speed up the set of the alginate. Add powder to the water. Gently stir powder into water until powder is completely wetted. Now the stirring action becomes more aggressive. Use the blade of the spatula to push alginate against the sides of the bowl. This is called stropping. Mixture can be held in one place and stroked side to side, or it can be moved around the inside of the bowl as the bowl is rotated with the other hand. Aggressive spatulation continues until a smooth, creamy mix is obtained, which takes about 30 seconds. The mixture should not be grainy. Gather alginate onto the spatula and press into the maxillary tray from the posterior. Try to avoid incorporating air. Use a wet finger to smooth the surface of the alginate before taking an impression. Creating an indentation with your finger will help orient the tray when seating. You are now ready to take the impression. The mandibular tray is shaped to fit around the patient's tongue. The mandibular tray must be loaded from both sides, allowing the alginate to meet at the midline. Smooth the alginate with a wet finger. The mandibular tray is now ready for an impression.